concept? Hmm? Group by. What is the use of group by? Hmm? To group or to divide the data frame into different groups by specifying the column name. So that is the concept of group by. Group by. Last class concept I already said to you. And if you remember it, group by concept already said. This is the states and the different designations, the names, and then these values are there. And we are getting group by state. And I said how group by works. And the group by state, all the state wise data is coming. And how to find the number of groups by using n groups and by using len of that subgroup group name. And there I found group wise designation also. HR people how many, PM project managers how many, SCs are how many, TLs are how many, state wise group in different ways, and counting of the groups, and then size of the groups, and then first, last, nth, and everything we did. And we find out the group by and get group and by designations also I got it. Get the group and group by designations also I got it. So different type of examples we did on group by. At the same time, concept I will upload today for you. Concept today that group by and transformation also will be over, students. Let me open one more example for you on the group by only that you can understand. So group by concept is available here, students. So this is a group by. We are having it. There's also one more example I want to tell you that you can easily follow it also. So tell me, the group by mechanism in PANDAS provides way to break a data frame into different groups or chunks. Chunks is nothing but what? Parts, different partitions based on the value of single or multiple columns. So let us understand with some example. So this is a data frame and observe it. This is an ID, name, age, city, and experience. So it is going to be called all the IDs and age groups and their cities and their experiences. We got it. Same like yesterday's class only. So what will be the possibility of grouping here? So I can go for ID. We can need not to go to it. Name also don't go for it. Either I can go to age group. Age group I can take, or city or experience also I can take. Experience also I can take, and city also I can take, and age also. Who are the 42 age group? Who are the 40 age group? Like that age group also you can take. Understand? Right. City group and then experience group I can go for it. So better, most preferable one is city. City. Here I wrote some detailed description for you. The city. This data frame has a column city which has three unique values. One is a Sydney group, Delhi group, Mumbai group. Three city group people are available. Delhi, Mumbai, Sydney group. We want to create a data frame group out of this data frame based on the column city called what? Values. So as this column has three unique values, so there will be three different groups. And a group one contains Delhi group. This is a Delhi group. This is called a Mumbai group, and this is called a Sydney group. So how to apply? Last class. Come on, fast. Group by method. Data frame dot group by. So how do you apply df dot group by of city? It is returning group by object. What is the type? Data frame group by. Group by data frame. Data frame group by. Don't తిరిగి చెప్తే కష్టం అయిపోతుంది. Data frame group. Already you know data frame. For that, what are you doing? Group by. Add that. Data frame group by. So here, data frame group by object. So to get the data, I will use one for loop. Iterate over all the data frame groups. Iterating means what? Last class we said already, na? Iterating the data frame group by. So how we iterate it? By using this for loop. by using this for loop. Last class already said this is called iterating over the group by group data, group name, group data, group name, group data, like that. So iterating for loop, group name, and then rows in the group, city based. So I got it Delhi based and Mumbai based and next is Sydney based, all of them. Next, come on, what is this? Get first row. What is the function name? First, first, each row first. Last row, what is the function name? Last. Get nth group. What is the function? Nth of. Easy. So, Python may be difficult, but Pandas is very easy. Because we did Python coding very well, and Pandas is dead easy. Their coding is there. Here we need to remember the libraries. There also you need to remember, but Python language is difficult. In the top of that, any technology or something is built, that is very easy once we know language. So, group by of city, and then first, based on the city, you are going to get the first rows of all these things. Get number of data frame groups. What we are applying? Size. Delhi, 4 people. Next is called Mumbai, Sydney, and then what are their types? Integer type. Are you following? Now we are going to apply aggregate function is there. Aggregate function. Already we used aggregate function now. Where? NUMPY. Already in NUMPY, we applied what? Aggregate. In series also I said. Series also I said. So do you remember how to apply those things? Right. So up to here, let me open it. Already we did. And one more time, just for a minute, because I want to tell you aggregate, transform, filter, all those things I want to tell you. Go to our big story chart, big story chart, go to this place, and this was year pandas. There is a operations on this data. So students, this part is there. Here we are coming to see these many formulas. It's really a great adventure for you if you remember. What about you? Today I said I will ask the questions, formulas. Are you ready? Ready, girls? Ready to answer these questions? Boys, ready? Come
କଣ
on.
କଣ
What students? Not
କଣ
even one
କୁହ
voice is coming out. Are you ready? No, sir. Why,
ଫଳା
sir?
ଆଣିବ
Breakfast completing daily, Monday onwards.
ଦେଖ ଯୋଉଟା
I said
ସୁନ୍ଦର
Monday I will
ଲାଗିଲା
ask. Tuesday I did not remember.
ଯୋଉଟା ସୁନ୍ଦର
So
ଲାଗିଲା
today I'm remembering. Ready? Ready? Ima, ready or not ready? Hmm? Ready? Okay. Shall I ask one question? Can I ask one formula? చదువుకోవడం మీరు చదువుకోకుండా మనం ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి. ఓకే, నో ఇష్యూ. చదువుకుంటే బాగుపడతాం, లేకుంటే వేరేది, లేకుంటే వేరేది. సో యూ నో బెటర్ దాన్ మీ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపన్. ఫైన్, రైట్. నౌ-a-days టు సర్వైవ్. సో మనోజ్, వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? లా, ఆస్క్ సార్. ఐ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ప్లీజ్ ఆస్క్ సార్. Question also, typing also something uncontrolled. So, please ask, sir. Double A, SK, sir. Right, right. Now I will go for it. Okay, I will ask questions at the end of the class. At the end of the class. Beginning, I don't want to disturb you because my questions will disturb you. Because I will ask questions in such a way that you cannot answer even single question also. Like that, I will ask. So you will feel also. So why unnecessary? Last moment means I can ask. Okay, 2 friends are there. I will ask because they are good friends. 7 o'clock, I used to see them daily. They will come to the class. Good friends. Okay, I feel good by looking at them. So data frame update of group by concept. So this concept you try to carry. Go to that. Now I'm having one CSV file also, students. That CSV file is called population. I will take, read the population and get the details. So Let's move to that new notebook. Meantime, I will open the population for you students. So data science here, Python for data science and pandas here and the data sets. I'm having some data sets reserved for you in order to not to type the same thing. Peoples. Okay, this is one thing. There is a population. Population is one thing which I was created as a CSV file. What is that CSV file? ID, name, age, city, experience. So if I open like this, it is going to be called what? CSV file, right or not? So the same data, I put it in the form of commas. Which file it is? CSV file. What is CSV file contains? Column names, records. That only. That entire population taken as in the form of CSV file. Now I want to read the data. So how do you read the data? Get that entire population. This is the population data. Now I need to read this data. How do you read? Get this entire population data. So I'm going to use it. In this case, I am using it. Go to import NUMPY as NP. So import pandas as PD. Pandas as PD. Now you write it. Data frame is equal to PD dot read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV. I must write the complete thing. What is the file name now, students? Population dot CSV. Population dot CSV. Population dot CSV. Okay. Now I need to write double slashes, students. You know that entire spot. So there I'm going to write it. And you worked on as type, huh? You worked on as type. Last class, as type I said. Single column how to do, multiple columns how to do. Worked on it? Yes. I will ask on that lot of questions today. So this is a data frame. Getting the data frame. This is our data frame, students. Got it. And next. So coming to the point of it. Now I'm going to say. So I'll go to that. Sayed Umar tomorrow asked sir, I will be offline. You asked to remember at least 20 formulas of operations on data frame. Okay, Sayed Umar. Tomorrow I will ask. You make me to remember. Tomorrow you will come to the class now offline. That time I will ask you exclusively to you only. Today I will ask the other students at the end of the class. So tomorrow only Sayed Umar I will ask. Today I will ask to everybody. Everybody I will ask today. Last 10 minutes I will take everybody I will ask. Not a repeated question. Different questions I'll ask. Each question, each student will get one question only. Like in our colleges, when we go to Viva labs, same questions are will ask to everybody. But when I go to any lab exam, I will not ask the same question to any other student. I will not repeat the same question. So in colleges, what will happen? First two students will go. You are waiting in one room. That student will go and tell, this question only coming. You will do what? Open the book and you will prepare. Correct or not? But the teacher is very strong. He will not ask the same question again. Two, three sets you will see. And what questions you got, all of three are different. And you will not read the book. Why? He is asking different question to every student. Like that it should be. So I will ask different questions in the class today. Everybody need to answer. And don't feel strain and don't feel tension. Definitely I'll ask. Definitely you need to answer. Of course, you never feel tension, I know. So I will ask simply, we don't know. Pass will say PASS, pass keyword. Come. Now I'll go to group by. Group by on what name? City. Come on. Population. Population group by is equal to population group by is equal to come on. DF dot group by population dot what? Group by of what? City. City. You need to take the city carefully. The city, C capital. There I will take it. That I will take it. You know the type of PPGB is equal to population group is equal to type of PPGB. So you will be taking that. So it is going to be what? Data frame group by. So how to get the data? How to get the data now? For group name, group name, GRP name, GRP name. And next is called what, ma'am? GRP data, GRP data in where? Come on, PPGB, PPGB. I will write it. Print of what now? Group name, group name. So I will write it. Group name, I will write it, comma, GRP name, GRP name. And next group data directly I will print it. GRP data, GRP data. I'm writing something like this. So this is the data what we are going to get it. And try to see this now. We are getting Delhi data, and next is called Mumbai data. And next is called what? Sydney data. You are getting it. Are you following me? Next, I need to find out the total strength of each group. How do you get the strength of each group? So you need to apply this kind of thing. You can also write the same thing like this also. And that part you already know, students. DF dot, DF dot, group by of city, city. So this group by class is very, very important. You'll get the same mechanism here. Are you getting? How do you find the number of people in the each group? Find the number of people in each group. So I will write it. Either you can go for this. Like this, you can write it. Here I will write it. Group by of city dot what? Size of. Size of. So you are getting city, Delhi, Mumbai, Sydney. Like this, you will get it. Are you following this? So, like that, you are going to apply. How to find the number of groups? How to find the number of groups? N groups. N groups. So, N groups you will apply. N groups is called attribute in the data frame group by. Are you following me? Right. Moreover, that part already we have done it. And one more thing, students, you also applied one more thing. After this grouping, I want to get separate group people. Separate group people. Dot what? Come on. Get underscore group of what? Delhi. Delhi group I want to get it. Delhi group I got it. Delhi group I got it. And the Delhi group elements I want to find out. Delhi group elements I want to find out. Of what here? Size of. So size of. So okay. It is going to give you this I will write it. LEN of I will write it. LEN of I will write it. How many people are there? 4. First, last, all those things you know. First, last, nth, everything you know. Now I'm going to apply. Students, this concept already you got it. This part we have already done it. Today I'm going to understand about what? Aggregation concept. So already aggregation will give you what? Group of values I want to enter into the single place. That is called aggregation, we call it as. Now here I'm going to write it. Start data frame group by and AGC. Since we discussed already in the series, same thing you will apply here also. In the group, just to try to understand, in the group, if you observe it, if you observe this data, somebody want to find out average experience of Delhi group, average experience. అంటే average experience is 17 years, 15 years, 14 years, 11 years. What is the average experience of Delhi group? So find the sum of all these things and apply what? Number of people. That is called mean.